Welcome to the chapter 5. Last chapter we have discussed about how to handle exceptions. So today I'm going to explain you how to take a snapshots when there is any error. Example, when some test cases fails, we need to know where exactly the test case failed. So in an actual application, you might have multiple windows, multiple pages, and if we have a snapshots of the page where it is failed, then it's easy for us to analyze, because while reporting this bug, we need to know where exactly is failed. So if we have a snapshot, it's much quicker. So I'm going to write a code for that one. The code will be written inside the catch. Okay, so let's write that method to take the snapshot in a common.cs file, and which you're going to access from other test cases. Okay, so again, what you'll do here, I will just copy this part of the code and delete this part, and we'll type it as take snapshot. Okay, so here I'm going to type as screenshot. It is rightly available here. It's part of Selenium again. So, and I will mention it as a SS then I take snapshot driver, sorry, yeah, it's corrected automatically, driver dot, yeah, there's a parenthesis, there's a bracket missing here, so you need to put one more bracket here. So put dot, get the screenshot, and you have to open and close brackets. So right now we have a local variable that's called as SS that will capture the snapshot and store it there. Okay, now SS dot, then save file as. Okay, here I have to give the path. So we'll type it. So inside I have to give the path. That path will tell you where exactly you need to store the snapshots taken. So I already created a folder here called snapshot. So I'm going to copy here, plus here, I'm going to copy this path, and I have to paste that over here. So that's snap1 dot jpeg. Okay. Comma open QA dot selenium dot screenshot short format, image format. So you have an option to give formats like PNG, GIF, JPEG, PNG, TIFF. So I'll choose JPEG because it's got more compression. It won't take more space to save in the folders. Okay. Again, you can type driver quit here, dot quit, because you take the snapshot and you have to quit the driver You cannot open the driver open, because if you have hundreds of test cases, if you don't quit the driver, hundreds of browser will be opening. If 100 test case failed, at least 50 test case failed, 50 browser will get open. There is a chance that your computer will go in saturation, then it will not work further. So always you have to quit the browser, whether test case passed or test case failed. When you take a snapshot, basically test case failed. Even at that point, you need to close the browser. It cannot handle multiple number of Chrome driver in a single machine. Okay, when you go to the virtual machine concept of running test cases in parallel, that time you will basically understand this importance. Okay, now I'm going to call this from the catch. So where do I do the catch is basically quit the driver. Before quitting the driver, we should do the capture, right? Because if you quit the driver, then it cannot take the where it is got failed. So I'm going to do a small rearrangement here. I need to call the take snapshot. So I'll type object for test space dot take snapshot. So this take snapshot is a fun method that we have written right now. Driver. Okay. Now, this test case we have written a wrong CSS selector. So definitely this test case will fail. And ideally it should take a snapshot, and that snapshot should be available right across here. Let's run it and see. So okay, take a snapshot, then write a debug. Let's quit after this is done. Yeah, you don't need to change. Basically, you take the snapshot, then you can quit the driver, then you can say the reason test case failed. You can put the test case number or whatever, do some meaningful. Then click on the junk. This is basically, to forcefully make test case failed in Text Explorer. Okay, this is Text Explorer. If you don't click onto this line, then it will show here as a green, which shows that test case passed. But actually not that. That's not the case, because this failed at this point. It basically came to the catch. Then it took the snapshots, quit the driver, and it is returned the debug, which is available in the output basically, and this case failed. Okay, I'm not going to execute this test case and show you how this is happening. Maybe you can put a breakpoint at this point, and we'll do a debugging session. Yeah, so came here, job survey, and you cannot find this is selector corresponding to the job survey. So definitely it will go to the catch. Okay, it came to the catch. Now I'm going to press not F10, I will press F11. So it went to the snapshot. Okay, snapshot. So okay, it took the snapshot. Okay, let's verify whether that took the snapshot. Oh yes, you have a test. You have a photo taken here. So now you can see that it took a snapshot. So a automation tester, when he completes all his tests, the best thing what he can do is he can just go here and click onto this and see that which page basically got failed. Then it's easy for him to basically find out where exactly it failed. So it will be easy for analysis. You can see it failed at this point. I will tell you where exactly, because right now you can see at least this failed in this page, but we will not know where exactly failed. That will be done in the future chapters. But at least right now we know, oh, it failed in job survey page in some point. That's the way you can do that. So I will just recap what I said. Okay, now you got to create the driver and run it again. So you should be ideally seeing a test case failed in the test explorer. That will be, see, it clicked onto the last line. And you see the test case failed here. You click on the output, test case failed here. You can see that as well. So that's the end of this chapter. Thank you for watching our video. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.